Hello learners, welcome to my class, CK class. Here today we will find the square of a number by taking base as 10, 100 and 1000. It will help to find quickly the square of a number. As you know, up to 20 you know very well how to find, and it already learned by you. So first number we will take on the base of 10. Take 8. We are going to find 8 square. Then take two part. One, draw a vertical line, separate it, two part. That is second part, and that is first part. First of all, you see it is less than 10 2. We get 8. 8 is less than 10 by 2. So 2 2 ja 4. We can write 4. Only one digit because our base is 10 and it's containing 0. Now add by 2. 8 is less than 10. So add what? You subtract 2 from 8. We get 6. You write here 6. 8 square would be, therefore 8 square equal to 64. Clear? Now we take number 12. Okay, we are going to find square of 12. You see 12 minus 10 equal to 2. That means 12 more than 10 by 2. Is clear? So again we draw a vertical line and indicate it. Two part, and it is first part. In first part, the 2 is more than 10. That means 2 add in 12 we get 2 add in 10 we get 12. Then 2 2 ja 4. Very good. Then here is more, no? So add in 12 2. Add 2 in 12 we get 14. We write here 14. Remove the vertical line, so we get the square of 12. That means 12 square equal to 144. Is clear? Now the second thing, when we take nearer to 20 but base is your 10, so now take the other number. Suppose we take 18. We are going to find 18 square. Okay, in 18 is more than 10 by more than 10 by 8. Is clear? Okay, and our condition is here, only one digit we will keep in the right hand side. So draw the vertical line, then 8 square equal to, you know very well, 64. Very good. Now after that, it is the first part. In second part, which is left hand side, you add 8 in 80, then we get 26. We get 26 here. We will write in the right hand side. Sorry, part 2, that is left hand side, and this one add into 26. That means you add 6. We get, removing the vertical line, that is 2, and here is 1, it's become 32, and here we will take only 4, that is 4. 18 square equal to, 18 square equal to, so we can write 18 square equal to 324. No, that is 3 numbers. 1 number, 2, 3. Okay. By this solving this question, we get the conclusion here. When we have before 10, suppose 9, 8, 7, it is less than 10. 9 is less than 10 by 1, 8 less than 10 by 2, 7 less than 10 by 2. So always minus. It is 1, it is by 2, it is by 3. When we are finding the square of 7, and the it is written in the part of here. For 9 we write here 8. For 8 we write here 6. For 7 we write here 4. Isn't it? That means if we have less than 10 number, we subtract. For that 11, here it is plus 1. Okay. And 12, it is plus 2. Suppose you taking 19, it is plus 9. So what we will write? It is for left hand side. We are writing for left hand side. So 11 plus 1, it is 12. 12 plus 2, it is 14. 19 plus 9, 28. It is the part of left hand side. For right hand side, what we will do? It is for left hand side. Okay. For right hand side, for this one, you can write 10 here and write 9 here, 8 here, 7 here. 9 is less than 1, so we will write 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. It is for less than 10, and more than 10, 11, 12, 18. For 11, here 11 is more than 10 by 1, so 1 square equal to 1. 12 is more than 2 by 10, that is 2 2 is 4. Only one digit right in the right hand side. And 18 is more than 10 by 8. 8 8 is 64. But only we can write the 4 and 6 transpose to the left hand side and add it. Then you get the answer. Is clear? For minus, you know, subtract from the we are going to find the square number of the number. In plus, more than, in more than, we will plus whatever it is, 1 2 3 4 by 6 by 8 more. Okay, I hope that it is clear. So not required to tell. You see, I am going to do 16 square. Let's see, it is more than 7, sorry, 10. 6 6 ja 36, and here 16 plus 6 22, isn't it? Plus 3 plus it, what you get? 2 5 6. Okay, that is the method, that is the trick. In 1 second we get, therefore 16 square equal to 256. Clear? Now for we can do for 20 also this method. Let's see, 20 square, that means in the, it is 10 more than 10 more than 10, 20 is more than 10 by 10, so 10 10 ja 100. 10 plus 10 and 20, 10 plus 20, it is 30. Sir, our condition here that only one digit we will keep here, so we can write 3 30, and always add it, add 10, 10 will goes and add to the 30. So here is 0, 30 plus 10 is 40, and it's come 0. Therefore 20 square equal to 400. Is clear? The step I am showing, but you can do it is mentally. In a mind you can do. Let's see, 24 square. 24 means 4 4 ja 16. Is clear? Put the vertical line to separate it. And 24 or 4. Sorry, it's not fair. Sir, here 24, it is 14. It is 14 more than 10. It's possible. It's possible, but you can do it such type. Let's see. We write here 4 4 ja 16. Then write 2 2 ja 4. Then multiply 2 into 4 and 4 2 ja 16. Leave this one and write, that is 16. It is easy to find, that is 574. Such type you can do. Our method, it is the, you see here, when we are going to find 36. Okay, write down that like 36 square. We will write 6 square, that is 36. Very good. 3 square, 3 square, we can write here 9. Okay, multiply 3 into 6 into 2. What we can write? Leave the one place digit. 936 here, no? Then write 6 3 ja 18, 2 ja 36. So 36 is here. It is for that. Then add it. 6 3 9 and 9 3 12. That is 1296. So our square of 36 equal to 1296. Is clear? We can do for this one any number. You will take 43. We will do now 3 square, we write 9. Okay, 4 square, we will write sorry, 4 4 ja 16 we will write. Okay, then 4 into 3 into 2, that is what? 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24. As per the rule, leave the one digit and write 9 4 8 1. Therefore 43 square equal to 1849. It's very helpful, I think that. Up to 60 you can do this one. No, we can do this one. Now let's see one things I am going to apply. Then you know that 50 square equal to 2500. Okay, now we will write 51 square. Okay, then 1 square equal to 1 and add 1 into 25, you get 2601. You can write from this method we can write 0 1 and 25. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, 2 ja 10, it's become 1062601. Is clear? It's clear or not? It's clear, no? There you see 50 here 25. We are finding 57 square. Then very easy. Add 7 7 ja 49. 7 7 ja 49. Very good. 25 and 7, that is 32. For the other method we have done in the above, you see 7 7 ja 49, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 7 ja 35 or 2, 35 2 ja 70. You see here 9 4 2 3. In both case the answer square of 57, you get this one. Then we can say take 49 square. You see here we are adding, here what we will do. So first of all you can by confirmation, for your confirmation you will do 9 ninja 49, 4 4 ja 16, you can write here 16, and 4 9 ja 36, 2 ja 72, leave the one digit, 9 4 2 6 7 6 13 and 1 plus 2 2369. Apply this method. We have 49 square. This method I am telling. Okay, 49. 49 is less than 50 one time, so 1 square. Clear? 49 is less than this one, 1. Then 25 minus 1, what you get? Oh, 48. Okay, 25 minus 1, we get 24, which is correct. Yes, here we have made mistake. Here you see our answer is that 9 9 ja 81, 4 4 ja 16, 72, that we get 1 0 4 2. That is your answer. It is equal. Okay, by applying this one, you when you are taking 50 as a base, when you go means that you are finding the predecessors of the 50, that you will subtract it. The two operation is there. When you take the base, left hand side you go you minus and right hand side go you plus. Now take the another example, such as you are taking here, suppose 46 square is clear. It is less than 56, then 6 6 ja 36, it is a rule, and 46 minus 6 we get 40. It is correct or wrong? Let's see, check. Let's check from the other method. So 6 6 ja 36, okay. 4 4 ja 16, okay. 6 4 6 ja 24, 2 ja 48, 6 11 0 2. It is a answer. You see here. Yes, sir. There is a mistake because we will subtract from 25. Is clear? And here 2016. Now, sir, we can do here 36 here. Okay. 6 is the 36 we can write. But sir, 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4. We never take 6. We have done below. It is less than 50 by 4, not 6. So we cannot write here 36. So we will write here 4 4 just 16. And subtract 25 minus 4. What you get? 21. 25 minus 4, 21. Sir, here you see, here we have done 8 plus 3, 11. So we will plus 1 here, that it's become 1. Isn't it? In both case, answer already same. Is clear? Here is 1. Okay. So this is the method to find this one very well. No. So it is for the up to you can do 2-digit number. In you see here 104 square, that is what? That is 108. Sir, 105 square, that is very good, sir, that is 110. It's very easy. Then we will take, sir, 98 square, that is, sir, 96. Sir, we will take 94 square, that is we are doing taking base 100. We are doing as taking base 100. We take base as a 100. Base, our base is 100. So for 94, very good, sir, we can write 6. 6 is less. So 6 is less. 36. 6 less. That 88. Okay. That it is also doing that like we have done previous. So for 303 square, I have explained in the previous video that how to find the 303, 505, 608. Okay, that step we will follow. Then we get, there is what? Actual base is R 100 and working base are whatever. It is 3, it is 5, it is 6, it will be 7, it will be 8, isn't it? For 1000 we will write here. If you take 1000 as a base, then what? Sir, in 100 two places required. So we will write here, suppose I am also trying. 1001 square. So 1 square equal to 1, that is, and 1001 plus 1, 1002. It is your answer or not? Can you check? For 1002, you can check. 2 2 ja 4, so 3 digit required, and 1002 or plus 2, 1004. It is your answer. I think that. So such type of the concentration is required to such type of question. So never be depleted your mind when you are doing such type of question. Is clear? So we will do for 1009 square. What it would be? 9 9 ja 81, 3 digit required. 1009, 1018. It is your answer. For the predecessor of 1000, suppose you are taking 999. 999. So 999 means 998. 1 square equal to 001. 1 is less, no? Okay, understood. For 999, 999, 99,801. For we can find for 996. How we can find? In a 1 second. 6 6 ja 36. We write 3 plus 1 1000. And 996 minus 6. No sir, 4. 4 is less than 1000. It's not become 36 sir. 996 less than 1000 by 4. So 4 4 ja 16 sir. Here we will write 0, and 996 minus 4, that is 992. It is your answer. Then it is for that. Okay. For the base of 5, you see here. It is given here. Suppose we have a number that like 25. 25 square. In this section, in the unit place 5, we can write 5 square. Okay. In the 10 place, we will write 2 into increase plus 1. That you write 3. That becomes 6. Okay. In the 10 place. So, we have 6 in the right hand side, and 25 is here. Therefore 25 equal to square equal to 625. Sir, we can do for 85 also such type. Yes, 85 square equal to, you can write 5 5 ja 25, and here we do 8 and successor of 8, it is 9. We can write this one 8 9 ja 72. Here is 25. So therefore 85 square equal to 7225. Isn't it, my dear student, my dear learners? It is helpful for everyone, for your anywhere you can use it. There is no problem, isn't it? For any, that means we are doing unit place containing five only. Sir, we can do that like, yes, I have said that you learn the square of a number up to 20. So we can write here 135 square, then 5 5s are 25, and 13 and 14, 13 and 14 you get, that is 12, 7, 1, that what would be answer? 17225. Is clear or not? You can see and you can do more practice, you get. Sir, 4 3 are 12, here 12. Sir, 4 3 7 and plus 1, sir. 12 is we have written 2, so plus 1. So we get 182, and here is 25. That here it would be, it is wrong. We not added the 1. So we can write here 18225. Therefore 135 square equal to 18,225. Somewhere explain the terms. Okay, that what? If unit place containing 5, we will do that like make the 10 place digit and 100 place digit. You see here in A5, 5 is unit place and A is the 10 place digit, and 5 is unit place digit. So we can find also 95 square is what? Sir, 95 square equal to 25, and 9 8 9 10 90, so it become 925. Sir, we can find 75 square in a second. 5 5 are 25, and 7 plus 1 8, a successor of the 7, 8 and 7, 8 7 are 56. It is very helpful to us, sir. So it will help in competition also. How you will find the square number in a 1 second, which number containing unit place 5 is very helpful to you, and I hope that you are satisfied and very happy to know such type of the steps which I have taken, and I always try to make you understand that it will help in our life. So thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day to all. Meet again. Meet again.